In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the Wix form submission email address step by step so you never miss an important lead, contact request, or customer inquiry again. This is a really common issue for Wix users, especially if you've changed your business email, added a new team member, or realized that form submissions are going to the wrong inbox. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go inside your Wix dashboard and how to manage your form notification settings the right way. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix and website tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to wix.com, then log into the account that manages your website. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. This is the main control center for everything related to your site, including forms, contacts, and customer messages. From the dashboard home screen, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Customers and Leads. This section is where Wix stores all of your contact information, messages, and form submissions. After clicking Customers and Leads, you'll see several options. Go ahead and click on Forms and Submissions. This will take you to the area where all of your Wix forms are managed, including contact forms, custom forms, and any forms you've created for your site. Here, you'll be able to see existing forms that are already connected to your website. At this point, you have two options. You can either create a new form by clicking Create Form, or you can edit an existing form if you already have one set up. In most cases, you'll want to edit an existing form, so select the form you want to update. Once the form editor opens, look for the Settings or Notification section. This is where Wix controls where form submissions are sent. Inside the notification settings, you'll see the email address that currently receives form submission alerts. Click on this option and replace the existing email address with the new one you want to use. You can enter a business email, a personal email, or even multiple email addresses if Wix allows it for your specific form type. Make sure the email address is typed correctly to avoid missing submissions. After updating the email address, save your changes. This step is very important because if you navigate away without saving, the new email won't be applied. Once saved, Wix will now send all future form submissions to the updated email address. To be safe, I highly recommend testing your form. Go to your live website, submit a test entry through the form, and confirm that the notification arrives at the new email address. This ensures everything is working properly and gives you peace of mind. And that's it. You've successfully changed the Wix form submission email address and ensured your messages are going to the right place. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more easy Wix tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.